Hey fam, we're back with another video. We're doing I faced one of my biggest fears and went skydiving. Reginaecarter, let's get into it.
Good morning, my Naija and naysayers.
Hey girl, how you doing, Reginae? How y'all doing out there, Petty fam? We love you. Thanks for watching.
What's going on? How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing great because I am, I had a good old time. If you guys catch me in Armon's live earlier, that was at 10 a.m. We got up at 7 a.m. Armon is an early bird to the extent of early birdness. But
y'all working though. I appreciate all the videos, y'all, and I'm gonna try to keep up with them. I mean, golly. So I got a couple old ones, but they oldies but goodies. So y'all watch everything, all right? Thanks, y'all.
I'll be right up with them. But yeah. So I am, as you can see from the caption today, me and Armon are doing I Fly today. And basically I think that we're going to be like, kind of like getting, I don't know. I see it a lot. I hear about it, so I booked it. And me and Armon is always doing like stuff that we've never done before, and I don't think he's done this before, but I know I haven't. So it's gonna be fun. I'm scared. I'm nervous. Don't talk about my lashes. I need them done. Y'all know about what happened to my lash, my eye. Touchy topic. But yeah, we're going to do that.
Y'all got my vote, because you got to do something like that with somebody you love, because I ain't jumping on a plane now.
And then I gotta get my nails and toes done again. I know I get my nails and toes done every other day because obviously I'm not finding the right people, because my girl can't come all the time. So when I go look for people, it's just, this happens. So
yeah, them nails. She wore those. If y'all ain't watch our video with Tunshi's birthday, happy 40th. But it was lit, and so I taped that. But that's when she got her nails done with the black, and then the black toenails, and she had that done in LA. So yeah, she said she didn't know about that person, and apparently, she need them done again.
Yeah, but I'll be back when I link up with Armon. I'm about to get dressed and stuff, and be back later. Hi guys, so I just got to the place. I'm waiting on Armon. He was getting a haircut, so we drove separately. But I'm here. This is like the front of it. I'm filming somebody, sorry. But I
like that burgundy hair, girl. I like that on you.
Here. Sorry, lady, if you see this. Me, your daughter is beautiful. But I'm waiting on Armon. So, but thankfully, I got to talk to the general manager there, so everything is good because we're late. Our thing was at 12:30 and it's 12:55, 56 now. That's us, but I just pulled up like 5 minutes ago. He should be like 10 minutes away. So I'll let y'all know when he gets here. My nails, though, it's giving, get it together. Look who's finally here.
What up, y'all? What's the deal? How y'all feeling?
Yeah, I'm annoyed. Okay, here we go. We're walking in. How you doing?
How y'all doing? Y'all right?
Hold on, y'all. They gonna give him this one since he wanna be mean to me.
They can't give me the blue helmet, man. We all gotta make sure y'all protect.
They give me.
We gonna put that on you. I'm so proud of you.
Not so proud of you.
Make another one for Bay. Extra large one, man.
Stop playing.
I think my head probably bigger than yours.
Now y'all. It is. But ain't nothing wrong with having a big head. I got a big head too.
Head is bigger than mine. No, I'm just kidding. Your head's small.
Yeah. You guys, I will be off my instructor. I'm gonna saw how you doing, bro.
Hi, how are you? Hi, I'm sorry, Reginae. Nice to meet you. They're making me go get tennis shoes.
Yeah, I was just about to say, should we wear tennis shoes? Like, where the
Let me see if I have tennis shoes though.
Up your trunk.
I mean, mine gotta be cute. So, you know, she wasn't thinking about that. Yeah, sis, we need you to have tennis shoes. We need you to be safe, girl. Gotta stick that landing. You can't do that in heels.
You ready? So what is this called? Indoor skydiving, right?
Yes. I
fly indoor skydiving.
So yeah.
I fly.
He's tunneling the country.
Okay. I'm so mad that it wasn't focused.
Yeah, so she's ready.
I'm ready. I'm gonna take off my jewelry.
Baby's about to take off her jewelry, and then we're going to get ready. We're going to fly. Right? You look pretty. She left my outfit at home.
I got us matching outfits today, and I left his whole outfit. I'm so pissed about it.
I got to go home and change into it, though.
Yeah.
Before we
go to the nail salon.
Why you got these big pointers on, though? Like, what's going on with you?
Yeah.
Oh, the music just went off without me. Fuck it up.
There's nothing else.
Baby,
I'm a small.
Go crazy.
No, like, don't have me looking crazy with this big jumps.
You gave me the black one. I look fired.
Let me see that.
You gonna
Okay.
get me ready?
Yeah. Oh, these are the shoes.
Don't get them on.
Okay, indoor skydiving might be fun though. So if y'all been, let me know. Should I go? Did you like it? What happened?
He had dunks and curries.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, he did have ducks.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
It's just the fact that these foam runners, they're gonna fly off.
Okay.
Okay.
We do that from experience. So,
Okay, man, you're getting there.
so you're good.
Sure, this is
Reginae, what size shoes? Yeah.
like 6.5.
Like?
Like 6.5, 7.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, baby, turn around. Let me see how this should look. Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Bro, you tried to give me the colorful socks, bro.
Don't do that to those shoes. Like
No, babe, they got you the all black ones. They look better. Mine's had the colorful shoestrings. Okay. Y'all, so let me explain something. We got to put this on because we're not doing that. We actually jumping out of an airplane. We're actually gonna jump out of a helicopter, y'all. Babe, so I did this with you. This is one of my fears. So now you have to come up.
No, this is not one of your
Yes,
fears.
it is.
You never said that.
Babe, yes,
I
it
never
is.
said that.
This is one of my fears. I'm
never
facing my
said
fear
that.
with her. So now we can go do the helicopter ride.
Because he's terrific. I'm not doing helicopter.
Oh, that's fire. You look good. Okay.
Okay, y'all. We about to get the instructions and be right back. He tried to go to the car to get his dunks and had me looking like this by myself.
Bro.
Those are actually fly.
Babe, I have classic dunks in the car.
These are classy. What are these? Jabos.
Jabos, bro. Jabos.
Oh Lord, her brother back there laughing. She making it worse, not the most.
Vans, yo. What? Yo, yeah. These are Vans, bro.
Oh.
She don't know. You the shoe head. Leave her alone.
Vans on when they look like Steve.
Oh, my daddy wear it. Used to.
Go ahead, you gotta do some jerking in there. Jerk.
That's how you gotta do it. Babe, I hate that this keep. Babe, stop talking about these people's shoes.
They
They
curling them at the top.
I use this one a lot. This is the most important one. Okay, keeping your legs straight. This is gonna help you guys generate the power that y'all are gonna need to fly your body. Okay.
Okay.
It's not one of the things where I could just strap you in and then you're just gonna be gone.
Picture face, baby. You look good while we
That's gonna be me. I'm not gonna be looking
So
cute.
make sure you guys have your head up. It also is gonna play a big part in having your stability. All right. So make sure you guys are looking up. And lastly, relaxing, breathing. Okay.
You're gonna tell me that a lot.
Oh, God.
Take a deep breath, relax. I need y'all to loosen up. If I'm telling you to relax, you're probably in there like this.
Okay.
That's me.
Okay? So
You're
loosen
gonna
up
really
a
have to
little
tell her relax. Cause she like to just think like, oh, you wanna know another thing, bro? Let me tell you another thing about babe. When you try to tell her to relax her legs, bro, you're gonna have to literally grab her legs. She's not gonna just let you like.
Oh, I just don't run.
Lord.
Well, damn.
Oh my Lord.
All right, gonna be happy spinning around. She gotta be.
Okay. I don't know if Reginae ain't gonna let everybody grab her legs, sir. I think you're gonna have to help her.
You're about to flying one of the most advanced body flights on.
Oh, hell no.
Look, he going crazy.
Oh, that's
You
good.
will learn from world-class body flight
That's
instructors whose passion is to perform. So follow their lead. Simple hand signals.
Don't look down either, baby, because you go down.
These signals
Oh my gosh, look at all of them people looking. I'm glad we don't got all of them people in there today.
without touching the ground. There is something else.
So I think you'll feel this one pretty good.
Okay.
Alright, put your thumbs on top right here. Put it on the back of your head. Pull it down under your chin. Alright. How'd that feel? Feel good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like that, sis. You look cute. I like the red hat. All right, so you go with your jumpsuit and then advance your hair a little bit.
Alright, now take that one back off. That's gonna be your helmet. Is your goggles where they go? You probably not
Mama, we can't see you, sweetie.
gonna have to adjust them, so don't pull on the knots right now.
Bro, if my hair mess up, I gotta have my barber fix me back up. Cause this gonna
Men in their hair. You just went to the barber and then it's gonna mess up your hair. Get over it. Just brush it. Get you a brush and some gel poo, just like we do.
really. All right, y'all.
Down on the top of your helmet.
Yeah, I know. Ow!
Sorry.
Oh yeah, my hair definitely messed up off that. No, I'm like,
Look at me.
Alright, let me buckle you up. Move.
Look at me, y'all.
The blue one high too. I like that. That's cute, girl. All right, with the little glasses, the little flying goggles, and the helmet. Yes, ma'am.
All right, I look crazy as hell.
mad crazy.
I look like I'm about to go fly some shit. Y'all interested in flying some shit? Okay. Not too boxy.
Come on, look that way for me real quick.
Yeah. Let's see about this. You ready? You ready to fly?
Yo, we are definitely finna fly. Come over here. So look, y'all. We are right
Always
there,
don't come to
girl.
the light.
All right, so y'all, we about to fly, but we about to fly, y'all. Then after I'm starving, bro.
Yeah, we gotta eat, but I gotta get my nip.
Reginae,
Ooh.
you can set
about
the
that
camera right here.
Okay.
Who's gonna fly first?
Y'all, this girl is in here scared.
I be scared too, though, honestly, y'all. You know, I ain't up for that, so I'm gonna have to try that one day.
Alright, y'all, so he's giving Bay the rundown again. They're turning on the air full blast. Excuse me. And that's fire. That's fire. Here she come, y'all. Here she come, y'all. Here she come, y'all. Look at her, look at her, look at her.
Gave us a thumbs down. She looks scared, but you doing good, girl.
She told her she wanted to come out. She told her she wanted to come out. She told her she wanted to come out.
We laugh defend her. It's okay, sweetheart, because I'm the kind of person too. Honestly, personally, I don't really like roller coasters, which is crazy because everybody do, right? What's not to like? But I don't like not to be in control of my own body. That might sound weird. I don't know, but that's what it is. And so, like, this thing, it might be her experience too, because it's like you free falling, you floating and stuff, and you like overthinking, like, what they turn the air off and my legs ain't right and I fall or something, or if I crash into the window or something. Like, it's all kind of factors that could happen. But of course these people are trained and they already got it planned out and stuff, so you just gotta, like they said, relax and have fun, hang loose and all. But it's easier said than done. So let's see if she get back in there.
Oh my God, y'all, this girl.
You could do it, Reginae, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. So Mr. Big Mouth over here, don't play. Mr. Armon can get in here and show us how it's done then.
I cannot breathe in here. I don't even know how loud I am because I got the earplugs. Oh, y'all, my baby got scared.
Trying again. Yay. Good job.
Here she go again, y'all. Oh my God, bro. I cannot breathe, bro. My baby in there, she doing it now, though. Look. She going down. Okay, my baby learned. Okay. Oh, hold on, let me get that. That's hard. Oh, that's fire. Sorry, y'all. YouTube, I'm trying to record for a phone, too. That's hard. Okay, babe. Okay.
Yay, she did really well. Oh my gosh, that looked fun. I mean, I wonder if you got to spin in order to go up like that. That's interesting. That actually looks a lot of fun. I'm proud of her though. She did that. Yay.
It's a hold on, wait, let me yeah.
Oh my gosh, how did it look?
Oh my God, babe, you did good. Give me.
I did good.
The one you was scared, but the second one you did good.
Oh my gosh, that is the scariest feeling ever. Now can you see
He's trying to go through the hole himself, get out the door. See, it's not that easy, Armon. But his legs are so long. It looked like he really was about to run into the wall.
I told you. Oh my God. I told him. He was talking Jack. Oh, see.
Tell him, sis. You tell her. He was talking mad junk, but we had your back, Reginae.
I can't wait to hear what he was saying. Yeah. Come on. All right. This man, look. Oh my gosh. Look. This is too funny. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. I do not know how
upload it. Oh wait. Oh my god. Bro. Come on, babe.
Yo. That's really why I stopped. Bro. Yo, no, like, yo, that was fun.
That was fun, right?
We finna go in there together.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Oh, they playing sis, okay.
Oh, it's Queen. You see the love? He gave Queen some love. That's so sweet. That's real. Gotta give me copywritten though. Hold on. That was them. That's not us, y'all. That is cool though. I like it. Good job, Reginae.
Okay, guys, so we had to come back home so Armon can change.
On gang.
I styled Armon today, y'all.
Yes, y'all, she styled me today.
I like it. Y'all gonna see them. They went to eat. And it's one of our other videos we filmed, and she compared him to a pickle because he got his pickle colors on. It's so cute. They matching.
Oh, look at my stomach growling. Look at me, y'all.
Are you ready for this?
Oh, I like the black and gold you got, girl. That's cute.
I got the lime. Come here, babe.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I got the lime green on.
And I got like the mint green on.
Alright, we gotta go eat.
Yeah.
We have green. I gotta get like this room clean. This one's clean. Give me a piece. Just a piece. I don't eat a whole gum. I don't eat whole gums, y'all. I like just pieces. Weird, I know. But
It's not. I did that before.
About to go get something to eat. We gotta figure out what we about to eat.
Yeah. Oh,
hi guys. Do you know one time my hairstylist was blow drying my hair and it caught on fire on top of my head too? It's really sad, but we are about to go eat. You have fun?
Yes, baby. I had a lot of fun. Ending it off with something to eat is the best thing you can do.
Yeah. Boo. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And press that bell notification so you're notified every single time Princess posts.
Bye.
And you want to like, comment, subscribe, and join our Noto squad. All right, love y'all. Bye-bye.